Hi guys, welcome to our channel Market Magics. In this video we will be analyzing Nifty 50 for trading on 10th of November 2021. So here we are on the brokers platform now and you can see the Nifty 50 chart in front of you. We are on the 15 minutes candlestick pattern. First of all, I will show you the naked chart first and then we will analyze in front of you only so that it will be easily understandable to you. You can also recognize and you can also analyze the charts as the time goes. So in front of us what we can see is, just we will draw a trend line. We can see a trend over here. See this, I will mark it with the black color. Okay, this is a major trend. Okay, then in the today's session what happened, market has taken a support at this level. See this is a support. Now here you can see we will mark it with the supports. We can mark them with the green color. See this, it has taken a support with a huge pin bar and a small pin bar over here. This shows the bullishness or the trend reversal from here. Means the buyers are not allowing sellers from this point to push the market down. They are pulling the market upside only. So this will be the strong support. Now can we see something else on the hourly chart? Yes, this is a strong support. See this, it has trapped several times over here. In the 15 minutes also we can see this is a strong support level. Then again there is one level, this one is also a strong support level, because for the whole day the market was trading on this line only. So this will also act as a support over here. Then how to trade, we can see it now. The 5-minute chart also or 15-minute chart also we can see. In the day chart what is happening we will see after a hammer pattern again there is a small pause type candle over here, because yesterday's trend was a huge trend. More than 300 points movement was there. That's why it was obvious that there will be a pause today. That's why only we decided yesterday that we will be trading on the long side only, not on the short side. And as per that only the movement in the market happened. We were not on the short side, because if you see the short side trade, see this is a 18,000 put option trade, strike price 11th November of this expiry. Whole day the put side was, the strike price was trading on a single line, this one 60 to 65 somewhere. There was eventually a spike in between, but this spike could not be captured. It is very hard to capture actually, because it hit both the sides stop losses. That is nothing but a stop loss hitting, nothing else. Okay, so we decided to stay out of the market. So actually staying out of the market and saving the money, or just making the market to hit your stop losses, is not done. Actually staying out of the market is also a good decision to stay out of the market if you don't understand where to take the trade. Eventually there was a wide CPR. From that only we can say that it's hard to trade for the option buyers actually when the CPR is wide. It's a good day for the option sellers, but the option sellers also might have not gained too much in this market, because there was whole day there was a stop loss hitting only from the initial time only. Only the in first 15 minutes you can see that the market consolidated over here. See this, first means there was an accumulation on the short side, and this candle hit at the stop loss of all the short sellers. From there again it came down. Again some of the accumulation was there on the buy side. Again this candle hit at the stop loss of the buyers. Okay, here itself buyers and sellers, means retail buyers and retail sellers were out of the market. Again they might have waited for the whole day. Again here again hit the stop loss of sellers, and again the buyers also on the both side the stop loss hitting was going on, nothing else. Okay, at the end there was some movement on the buy side from this candle. There was little bit buying, and at the end market ended up in red only, not in green. So now what are the possibilities for tomorrow, we will see. So now we will draw a trend line over here. First of all, a trend line we can draw here. From here this is a major trend. Okay, then we will draw some support lines. See this support over here, we'll draw it with the green color actually. Okay, this will be the support. Then again here you will do one more support, because the market has traded throughout the day on this line only. Then again, is there any new formation on the upper side? We can mark with the red color the target points. We will mark on the where the market can face the pressure. These are the levels here. This will be the psychological level also. Here market can face the pressure. Then again this one up to here, it may not travel tomorrow itself, but you can get the targets up to 18,300 also, no issues. If the market goes trending from the first half of the session, you can get the targets of 18,300 also, because these short sellers, as the market starts moving, the short sellers will cover their positions, and in that way the market will travel trending upside if it starts moving above this trend line in the initial stage only. Now how to trade? If the market opens gap up above this trend line, it will tap this trend line and again travel upside. You should trade with a very small stop loss under this last candle. If you see this 15 minutes candle, under this last candle you should place your stop loss and initiate a call side trade above this trend line. Okay, if the market opens flat, it may struggle here in this range. You will find that the market may struggle in this range only for some time. This will be good for us. If it breaks upside, we will upside with a green candle, green strong candle, then we will wait for the retracement and then we will initiate a call side trade. If it breaks downside, we will initiate a put side trade on the retracement only. We will take for the targets. Downside we can get the targets. Downside we will mark it with the green color. We can book our targets at these levels. Okay, this level is 17,000. Under 17,000 means 17,900 or somewhere we can book our targets. Now there is again a channel formation over here. Some of you may see the channel formation. We will delete this. Okay, initially if the market comes downside, you should not initiate any put side trade with a spike. If it comes down, you should not initiate any put side trade, as the market will just give a spike downside from this support level. From here it may come down and again return and start trading upside. Okay, if it comes down, wait for a while to retrace. If it retrace and again crosses this first candle, the breakout candle low, then only initiate a trade over here for the put side, and your initial targets will be here. Okay, put side you will not get more target, much more targets. You will just get 30 or 40 points. But if you trade, if we get an opportunity on the long side, we will get the nice targets of more than 50 points, more than 60 points also. So now there is one more thing in this chart. We can see a channel over here. Can you see it? Let's mark it. See this? Yes, right? See this, there is a channel formation. In this channel only market may travel now. In this way the market will go slowly and steadily upside for tapping the highs. Means all-time highs it will be tapping within few days. Few days means maybe it may take a month also, because it is, the market is under time correction also. It has corrected price wise, now it will correct. It will pass the time to go to the all-time highs. It may take a month also, few weeks also. From here the market will definitely touch all-time high once this level, this one. Okay, this level will be tapped once. So in this way you can trade. So if you like the content of this particular video, you can hit the like button and share this video with the other friends also. You can take a look on the option chain where the open interest is, where there are the shorts build up, and trade accordingly. But tomorrow market may go trending, keep in mind. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.